Good morning and happy Memorial Day. We are on our way to the pool. Why are you hitting me? That's not very nice.
We're not going. It's not Memorial Day.
It is Memorial Day. It's Monday. I don't know why I'm sitting with this
Then
hat on.
why are we not going?
We are going. We're waiting on Daddy.
No, we're going to the pool, not Memorial.
It is Memorial Day and we are going to the pool is what I said.
And then we're going to the...
Kids, I'm telling you. We're going to go to Travis's grandparents' pool and spend the day with them and cook out. And this one's ready to go, so she's like being super grumpy. We're just waiting on Daddy to get out of the bathroom. Caden, are you ready? Your swim trunks on? He's still over there like sleeping. You ready?
No.
Get swim trunks on?
No.
No, you're in your undies.
Stop it. Go away. Go get me.
You don't talk to me that way.
Go get me some trunks.
You go get your own swim trunks.
We do get that.
Briley Rose. Are you sure yours aren't in the car? Just got here and they already jump in the pool.
What? Yeah, these are mine. Because mine were darker and Bradley's didn't have this yellow. They're both the same. And then Bradley didn't
Hey, that's not nice. I don't want to hear
Bradley
that.
didn't have the yellow right there.
Oh, okay.
So these ones.
Well, I'll go look out in the car and see if I can find
I
another
let
car.
you use mine yesterday. Daddy told you.
Get your body in front of you, stop it. Really?
I'll get it.
Gotta finish my coffee before I get in.
Now get up now. I'm so bored sitting in this boring, stupid chair.
Are you ready to be nice? That didn't look very nice.
Can I get up? Oh. Mommy, can I get up? Mommy, can I get up? Mommy, can I... I'm gonna take your goggles now.
Caden pushed me in the pool, almost made me break my neck. Now he's sitting out because he is being mean to his sister. Both of them are just gonna be sitting down the entire time we're here today because they won't quit being mean to each other. Does that have a Nerf bullets in it? Don't shoot him in the water, you'll tear him up. And that's why he's sitting, because he doesn't listen to anything we say. Which one was it then? These are nice.
What?
These little rafts over here that Mama and Papa left. They have like these little seats. The little seat under them though, like this little thing.
You're supposed to blow it up.
I did blow it up. But it doesn't stay under my butt. I think it actually, it goes behind and it makes you like stay up. Like this, see?
Yeah. It's not for your butt.
I thought it was. Like this little piece right here.
Can I get off on this so I can put the on? Well, you got 60 seconds until you're done.
Try that again.
Go. 3.
There you go. Here, you guys want to race? Oh, they're in the water. Kate and Brad, you want to race? Race from that end of the pool to this end of the pool. Well, wait, I gotta get over there. What are you about to do? I can see it in your face. Don't tip me. Don't tip me.
Oh, Mom's here.
What are you doing?
Caden looks like he's gonna pull me in the water.
He kind of is. We're tipping! We're tipping! Oh, I don't think this tube can hold all of us. Okay, let's not rip the tube. Hey, wait. Okay. Hey, you guys both have tubes over there. Go get the turtle and the donut.
I don't like those tubes. I don't. Ow, what?
Wait, here, I don't want this ripped. These are Memo Pebbles.
Oh, there are no.
No, they're not. They left them
Memo
down
Papa
here.
let us keep them.
Yeah, but they're still there for when they come down.
We store them, they're ours.
Ah, where's it going? Whoa! Oh, you missed the tube. You missed it. Let's get it. Ready? Catch it.
Oh God, I can't jump in right here.
You be careful.
Are they gonna come down? Probably not.
They're getting sunscreen on. Boop.
Are they after me?
What? What are you cooking, good looking? Didn't even hear me. I said, what you cooking, good looking? Yeah, these cheeseburgers. Wait, what is that from? Oh, yeah. Are you floating in a pizza?
If I send this, it would bend my finger.
Riley's teacher got her this float.
You can eat it.
You're gonna eat it. You can go back and tell your teacher you used the float she got you over the weekend.
Yeah, maybe because he's trained.
He's a trained shark?
Yeah.
Never heard of one of those.
Yeah.
I trained.
Oh, you trained him?
Pretending I used to work for sharks and dolphins.
Bradley trained him. He's a trained shark.
Now that I'm a shark. I'm still the shark. No, I am. Pretend we're both sharks.
Yep.
And mom is the one who can.
You guys ready to eat? No. How do you tighten this?
Caden's gonna get it in.
Is that good?
Yeah.
The other side?
Arm's gonna get bit off his legs, gonna get bit off his head.
That light's so close to your face.
Get bit off his goggles, are gonna get bit. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
That's tight enough? Yeah. Well, why don't you guys come eat? Come eat. Riley, come eat, baby. Sissy, you want a cheeseburger? You want a hot dog?
I want brown.
You want beans?
Yeah, I want brown beans and
Chips? Okay, you want a hot dog? Alright, I'm gonna make your plate, Sissy.
I want chips and brown beans.
Okay, you come over here and eat. Right here. Travis is gonna try to get in this tiny little pizza float.
I can get in that pizza float.
6'3", 235 pounds. Here we go.
Oh God. Disappears. How'd that work out for you?
I heard like a kaboom. Ready?
Let me see it.
Let me try.
Okay, you gotta be careful jumping close to the side like that.
It barely holds him up.
Watch me.
It's like you're a baby.
Let me do it.
It holds Bri up.
Here we go.
It's my fault. Let me do it. It's on anyway, so let me do it.
Hey,
Let me do
say
it.
it nice.
Can I please do it? Can I please do it? Daddy, can I please do it?
Oh God.
I want to jump on it. I want to jump on it.
get up. Look at him. Look over it.
Daddy, you already just saved. Daddy, you saved.
Your tag's hanging out.
I put it away once.
Did you get the normal? Daddy!
You got it. That's a little too hard, wasn't it? All right. Ready?
Daddy, can we have a swimming contest? Daddy.
Ready? Up. A little short.
Daddy, you want to
Bradley, you're so alone.
Riley, you need that? Riley,
You taking a nap?
on one of the floats, you want to die.
Did you say you're tired? You ready for a nap?
Maybe I do the 24-hour challenge in the bathroom. Dad, but at least we could go to the bathroom if we never leave. And take a bath.
Careful, you're right there by the edge.
So I accidentally deleted the where we ended the vlog, so that's what I'm doing now. We ended up just relaxing and watching a movie when we got home from the pool, and then the kids had to go to school the next day, so we had early bedtimes. But we only have one more day of school and then it's summer. But we will see you guys in our next
Touching
vlog.
up on my body, she's moving at me so fast. Until the morning coffee, I just wanna make it last. I promise.